Endometriosis affects 176 million women worldwide and approximately 42 million women in India. A study found that women with endometriosis needed an average of 10 appointments with their doctor before they were referred to a specialist. It also discovered that 67% of women found out about the disease through the internet rather than other sources, highlighting how little effort is put into educating women and young girls about endometriosis. Sadly, it has been historically underrecognized amongst both the medical community and the public, and subsequently underdiagnosed due to stigma, cultural taboos, and limited menstrual health education. This leads to prolonged suffering, delayed treatment, and decreased quality of life for affected individuals. Most women are not diagnosed until adulthood. It has been estimated that nearly 70% of all women with endometriosis started experiencing symptoms before 20 years old. As seen in figure, endometriosis is most commonly diagnosed in women between the ages of 30 to 45 years old. Surgery is the only way to remove endometriosis. Laparoscopy and hysterectomy are the effective surgical treatments. But they too have their own side effects such as early menopause, possible injury to nearby organs such as your bladder and bowel, fistula, an abnormal connection between two organs, blood vessel damage. Also, 20% of those who undergo surgery won't respond and will need further medical treatment. Of those that respond, there may be a recurrence of pain over time. Therefore, endometriosis by HEDUP brings solution to problem. It is a school-based educational curriculum for 12 to 16-year teenagers which spreads awareness and encourages people to seek treatment. The educational kit was launched with the aim of spreading this vital education across the globe in fun, interactive way. Education program will educate students about how menstruation can turn into endometriosis, what are its symptoms, diagnosing methods and treatments. Menstruation Game is the first game in the educational toolkit. Knowing and understanding about menstruation is the first step in learning about endometriosis. It is important for users to learn about periods and female anatomy before they learn about endometriosis. It will be fun as everyone would compete against each other to get their periods first and reach finish line. TT game consists of a cardboard board which takes you to journey of menstruation process and tests your knowledge while playing, 5 pieces for players to play, 15 menstruation journey blocks which is placed around the board and a rules booklet. The second game in the curriculum is put into practice. After learning about menstruation, users have to test their knowledge about menstruation and female anatomy with the help of jigsaw puzzle. Users have to test their knowledge by matching the terms to correct statements on puzzle board. Correct answer sheet will be provided with the game. The game consists of a board for putting puzzle pieces, 16 triangular pieces for players to play and a rules booklet. The final game is about endometriosis. The Endo game takes the user on a journey of women experiencing endometriosis. During this journey, users are educated about symptoms, diagnosing methods, and treatments with the help of cards. The game comes with a board that takes you to user journey of women experiencing endometriosis, 5 pieces for players to play, 10 types of symptom cards that educate about symptoms, 2 types of pharmacy and physiotherapy center cards, 6 types of diagnosing methods cards, 5 types of treatment cards, 1 spinning wheel, an elevated path and a rules booklet. The players would start by spinning the wheel and the first one to reach the last happy place wins the game. During the journey the players will learn about symptoms and how they should manage them. Any player with severe symptom will be directed to diagnosis place and the game goes on. Twist and turns in the game makes it more interesting to play. The online platform is a crucial step in endometriosis by HEDUP. After learning about endometriosis, The users can refer to online website where all the information related to the disease is given. If anyone wants to buy their own endometriosis game, they can buy from the website, and the ones who wish to donate can also donate funds and be a contributor in donating a kit to local schools and spread awareness. Endometriosis by HEDUP will be the first school-based educational curriculum with online platform in India. The packaging of the game is a simple cardboard box with mold fiber compartment and sealed with recyclable PET film for securing all components. These multiple game boxes will then pack together along with corrugated bubble wrap to prevent any damage while shipping. To expand the HEDUP program, we'll integrate it into government schools through partnerships. Aligned with the curriculum, teachers will be trained and supported for effective implementation. Market research will identify countries in need, and localized programs will be developed and scaled based on success.